Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to use Canva AI image generator. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, open up the Canva application on your PC. Once you get into its app, click on the Elements option from the editing bar. Now scroll down in Elements options and click on AI image generator. Then click to generate your own AI image from here. After that, it will show you the pop-up of Magic Media, so click to open it. Now the Magic Media is opened in your Canva account. Then describe the image you want and they will generate it for you. So pass the commands in here, such as a red vintage Ferrari with ice cream. Or you can pass the less difficult command like a panda eating bamboo in a tropical forest. Now the image is generated. You can click on any of the following and then save it. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.